Hi friends, I'm Paul, your host of Animal Adventures with Paul Flotron. Dr. Doug Pernikoff and Cindy Vickers encourage everyone to join us this Friday the 8th from 4 to 5 p.m. Central, WGNU 920 AM. You're in for a real treat this Friday. We have DORENE OLSEN, this expert, outstanding bird exotic trainer and wildlife expert. Also joining us is a fantastic special guest, Jeff MESBACH, who's the director of the World Bird Sanctuary. So join us again this Friday the 8th from 4 to 5 p.m. Central, WGNU 920 AM. Live stream is available, www.wgnu920am. Looking forward to Friday. Have a good day, everyone.